Welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Hi everyone, nice to meet you again. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound. And this time we are going to learn about the phonics sound of group 7. Okay, we have the first sound in here and the sound is kuh, kuh, kuh. Can you say together with me? Kuh, kuh, kuh. Alright, now we are going to say the sound along with the action. Okay, the action is let's make a duck's beak with our hands like this and says kuh, kuh, kuh. Okay, can we do it together? Kuh, kuh, kuh. Good job. And you know what? The letter Q always comes together with the letter U. Okay, and don't forget the sound is kuh, kuh, kuh. Great job. Alright, now let's see the words that begins with kuh, kuh, kuh. And please repeat after me. Queen, quilt, quail, quack. Questions? Quiet, quit. Okay, one more time. We have queen, quilt, quail, quack, questions, quiet, and quit. Good job, everyone. And now it's activity time. Identify the name of these pictures. Are you ready? Okay. What is this? Very good. It's a queen. What about this? Excellent. It's a quilt. What about this? Good job. Quack. How about this? Very good. Quail. What about this? Good job. Quiet. Yay! You did it. And now it's time for riddle. Enjoy!
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay. She is the mother of the prince and princess. Who she could be? Yes, you're right, friends. She is a queen. Yay! Good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Awesome, everyone. Now let's have a quick review about our phonics sound of today. Okay, what sound is this? One more time. Good job. Kuh, kuh, kuh. Yay! Very good, everybody. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.